Hello everyone, this is Gina from the Embroidery Zone, and I wanted to share a quick tip with you. I saw a post on the Wilcom Facebook group that was asking how to prevent this gap from forming when you are running a pattern that runs the opposite direction of the other, when this satin stitch goes this way and makes a pull right here and makes a gap on the vertical side. So this is a tip that I learned from Tom from Strawberry Stitch Company way back in the 70s or 80s or something. I don't remember. It's been a long time, but I hope it's okay, Tom, that I'm sharing this with people, but prepare to be shocked and amazed when you see how wonderful this works. So I'm going to take off I've got to undo it because I practiced doing it a couple of times before I started this recording. So I'm going to put it on Stitch Edit, and I'm going to push home on the keyboard and go ahead and use my arrow key just to fast forward through to the spot where we're going to do the stitch edit. So when it comes to the end of that, I put it up to one too far, like right there, I'm going to make a stitch from here, back over to here and here, straight up where that gap is going to appear, here and back down, and push enter, and then just let it run. So we're going to run the stitch player, show you how that works. It looks a little funky right here. Let me speed it up till we get to the point where it works. Okay, so watch. Now it's the gap. You'll see the gap after you sew it, and then it goes back and fills it in and continues on. It looks so good. You've got to try it. Thanks, Tom. I hope again it's okay that I shared this with everyone. You're the best.